Samuel here, talking about physics in disc golf. Today what I got for you guys is I'm going to be doing Newton's first law and energy for disc golf. So here we go with my video. I'm going to be showing my discs and their weights and stuff. I'm going to be throwing them and giving you guys the breakdown. There's my 173 and 164 discs. Here I am in my Berks, about to let loose. Okay, so what I'm going to be talking about first is energy. And the energy from the disc golf throw is obviously you're going from potential to kinetic energy. You're winding up, you're giving your body torque, little pullback. That's all potential energy. When you release, kinetic, all the way throughout flight until it finally lands, and then there's no energy at all. But I'd like to just tell everybody that Frisbee, you really just need to throw like practice form, because that's the best way to get results, and it's all in your run-up. So this is your potential motion right here into the kinetic. Okay, so that's going to be the first topic of discussion. I'm going to be talking about Newton's first law of motion. Obviously, Newton's first law is that every object will remain in motion unless acted on by an external force. So here I'm showing why that is not true on Earth, because my disc did not fly forever. After my wind up and my torque, pretty good throw for me, not gonna lie. Get a lot of speed coming off this, but your throw is only as good as the wind, and the wind obviously is acting on this at the same force as your throw, because the wind is just hitting it the whole time, and it's just breaking through it. So that's why your disc ends up falling to the ground. It's got two forces acting on it. It's got gravity and it's got wind resistance. And I was talking a little bit of smack back here, saying that my heavier disc flies to the wind better, and it obviously does, because it breaks up that wind a little bit more because it has more mass and acceleration. So yeah, guys, that's all I got, and that's Newton's first law and the energy in disc golf. So catch you in the next one.